Are you preparing a VA claim but are overwhelmed by the amount of information available? Or do you have a claim started but want to double check that you considered everything? This tool is for you. With just a few quick questions, the CCK VA Claim Builder generates a list of information tailored to your claim. Let's get started. The first question checks if you should proceed as a claim or appeal. This tool is meant to help with initial claims. If you need help appealing a denied claim, contact us. The next question asks whether you are already rated for the claimed condition. This is important because increased rating claims no longer need to prove service connection. We're going to continue to use the tool as if we are seeking direct service connection. Your discharge status has a major impact on what benefits are available to you. If your discharge status qualifies you for VA benefits, you can continue. If not, we offer resources to upgrade your discharge. Now we're checking whether you might be eligible for presumptions. If so, this can greatly simplify your claim and reduce the amount of evidence you need to produce. To claim benefits, you need to show service connection. The first step in service connection is showing an in-service event, injury, or illness. Next, we ask what evidence you already have in case there might be additional evidence you haven't considered. We ask about pre-existing conditions because they might still be eligible for VA compensation if they were aggravated by military service. The second step of service connection is proving that you have a diagnosed disability. This question helps us determine what, if any, medical evidence you need to show that you have a disability. The final step of service connection is proving a nexus, or the connection between the in-service event and your current disability. Here, we're going to find the ways veterans can prove this. Moving on, PTSD is a very common issue among veterans, so we're checking if you might qualify. Feel free to say yes if you aren't sure, and we'll give you more information. VA may increase your compensation if you require another person's assistance every day. Answer yes if you want to learn more about aid and attendance VA benefits. If your disabilities prevent you from holding a normal job, you may qualify for increased VA compensation under individual unemployability, or TDIU. Answer yes to learn more. Click Build My Claim to get a page of valuable and highly relevant information specifically for your situation. You can view the information on this page, or you can have the information emailed to you for later review. Or click the reset button at the end of the page to start over. Remember, this is just a research tool, not legal advice. Please talk with a VA accredited representative or VSO if you need help with your claim. Don't forget, VA accreditation matters. Visit our website to learn more.